favorite DIY beauty channel where you can put your coins back in the bank and tell those overly priced beauty brands you tried it. Hi everybody, I am finally back. I know it's been a few years, maybe a decade, but I was running a very successful jewelry line and cosmetic line, but I am back. I'm back to bring you guys your favorite DIY products. It's that time. It is that time to be beautiful, but on a budget, or come here, create your own side hustle. So here's what you need for that potent do-it-yourself hair growth recipe. Grow your hair or make money helping others grow theirs. Of course, I'm going to give you the amounts for resale because it is time to start that side hustle and get your coins up. But if you want individual measurements, just leave a comment. You need 32 ounces of coconut oil. You need 32 ounces of Brazil nut oil. This oil is very popular in Brazil for its hair benefits. You need 32 ounces of black castor oil, 20 ounces of jojoba oil, 8 ounces of vitamin E oil. Now, vitamin E is an antioxidant and a natural preservative. This is where the secret lies. It's in the infusions. I'll show you how to infuse later in the video. So here are the ingredients to be infused. Infuse 2 ounces of dried alma, which is gooseberry. This promotes hair growth. 2 ounces of guava leaves, the leaves, which also promotes hair growth. 2 ounces of henna leaves, which strengthens the hair. It does not, and I repeat, it doesn't color it, so don't you worry. 1 ounce of fenugreek seed, used for centuries by Indians for also strengthening the hair. Okay, so if you don't have an oil infuser, an easy way to infuse oil is the double boiler method. Add the powders, leaves, and seeds to the oil in a sealed glass jar. Add water to a pot. Make sure it's less than halfway filled up the pot. And on super low heat, place the glass jar with all the great ingredients in the water. If your water is boiling, it is too high. Keep the oil on the heat for at least 10 minutes. Take the pot off the heat and let it sit for another 15 minutes or until it is completely cool. If you really want to get those minerals out, take the sealed glass jar and place it in a dark place for a few days. You've been bald-headed this long. Just trust the process. After a few days, strain the oil. You can use a cheesecloth for this to get all the residue out. Now that you have strained your who needs a weave potent oil, you already know you need the essentials. Essential oils, that is. You will need 1 ounce of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil stimulates the scalp. 1 ounce of rosemary oil, which promotes hair growth and thickness. 1/2 ounce of lavender for its soothing properties. 1/2 ounce of cedarwood oil, which stimulates hair follicles. Mix thoroughly and bottle this precious no more baldness oil up. Okay, one more thing. Now look in the mirror and smile because you've just created confidence and relief in a bottle. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I'm going to be uploading so many more do-it-yourself videos and start your side hustle business ideas weekly here. I'm sure you will find a recipe or an idea to help you get started with something that connects with you.